I was sent these noise canceling headphones to try out, and I am pretty impressed with them. They are definitely very comfortable. I love that they're so easy to pair with not just your laptop, but also your phone, especially since they're wireless, so I can be folding laundry or doing chores while having my headphones on and there aren't a bunch of wires getting in the way. So that is very handy. They have a power button on them, and it's nice because a little voice comes on and tells you that it's on and that you've paired, which is just helpful information. There are buttons to increase and decrease the volume right on the headset itself, which also makes it really handy that if you're moving around and stuff, you can just quickly make those adjustments without having to go do it on your device. And then the noise canceling. It works really well. There is a button so you could choose to turn it on and off, whether you need noise canceling or not. And I love that you have that option, but otherwise they are very comfortable. I use them for work. I do a lot of video editing. You do have the option to plug it in if you want to use it that way. And they also have a charging port, and it comes with the charger, of course. They do have a very nice long battery life, and they fold up nice and small, and it actually comes with a little pouch, so you can easily take this with you. I'm actually going to be traveling next week, and I'm looking forward to bringing these with me on the airplane.